Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone SE on over to your Roku device, and this is actually really easy to do. So you can see my phone, and I want to make sure I'm connected to the same network. So since I have the SE variant, I'm going to scroll on up from the bottom, and then go to the two boxes right here and select this. And then you can see my Roku device is listed on here. I'm just going to select it. So since I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi internet, it's going to automatically bring up AirPlay in the background since I selected it. Now I have to type in this specific code on the screen. So on my iPhone, it has a little box where I can enter it in. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's 2447, and this is going to be completely different for you. And I should be able to just open my phone now. So at any point in time, I can just go to stop mirroring or stop sharing share screen. But I want to go to Wi-Fi right there. And just make sure I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network if I'm not able to connect. And then I can just use my phone like normal on my TV. So I can go back to like the home screen here. I can scroll to the right and stuff. But very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.